SMR shorts are one of the most watched content on YouTube shorts right now, and they are gaining millions and billions of views every day. So in this video, I'm going to show you the blueprints, the step-by-step process, how to create these videos and upload them on your own channel and start making money for yourself. Before that, let me show you proof of different channels that are uploading these simple 5 to 10 seconds videos and making millions and billions of views. Just have to type SMR videos. Going to be typing SMR videos, and you go to the shorts feed. You get to see many of them. Look at these ones. Look at these 32 million views. This is just 9 seconds. This this is an AI video. You can see this. Let me play it for you guys. What's better for today, cookies or cookie dough? This is an AI video. It has over 12 million views, 74,000 likes, and over 3,000 comments. So, for example, let's say XML fruits slicing, cutting videos, fruit cutting videos. You can see these 3 million, these 44 million views, these 39 million views, 30 million views. Let's play this. You can simple AI generated videos. These are simple AI generated videos that you don't need to, you just need to use the right AI tools to generate. And this has 44 million views. So there's so many of them. You can see so many of them, so many of them online. Look at this ones, look at this one, so many of them. Look at this. This has 84 million views. Look at this video. This is not even a short, it's a video. They're very satisfying to watch. That's why people like watching them. You can see they're very satisfying to watch. And it's just a 4 months video and it already has 84 million views. You can imagine how much this person is making from this single video. Look at this one that they're just cutting fruits. Let's go to the shorts feed. You can see this person from this video. This person has 10 million views. Let's go to their channel for you to see. The person has 25. How many shots? Most popular shots. You can see 10 million, 6 million, and so on by just posting these AI generated videos. So I'm showing you guys for you to know that this is actually something that works. This person is also posting the same thing. So you've seen the videos for yourself. Now we're going to dive into the process of generating these videos. You will ask ChatGPT to write prompts that will help you to generate these images and the animations of the various videos. In this particular video, I'm going to be concentrating on SMR cutting or slicing videos. One of the popular ones is the SMR slicing video. So I'm going to be concentrating on that. So right now, let's generate our prompt on ChatGPT. Let's come on ChatGPT, new chat. I'm on ChatGPT right now. I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to write me prompts to write prompts to generate images of different fruits. For example, let's say 5 different fruits, maybe watermelon, apple, pineapple, and what so on. Write prompts. Write prompts to generate SMR fruits slicing, or let's say cutting, fruit cutting cinematic images and animations for the YouTube shorts YouTube channel. Let's see channel. YouTube channel. Fruits include fruits like watermelon, pineapple, apple, um, pear, orange, etc. Okay. If you're aiming for viral SMR shots, the images should be free, hyper realistic, ultra satisfying, glossy, and cinematic. The animation should emphasize slow, smooth cuts, juice, crisp sounds, and macro details. So, ChatGPT has helped us to generate these are the prompts, the image prompt, and the animation prompt. So, you have your image prompt for watermelon, pineapple, apple, pear, orange, kiwi, mango, strawberry, banana, grapes. So, it has generated prompts for different fruits. So now that you have your prompts for the images and the animations, you can still use ChatGPT to generate these images. Or if you have an ultra realistic, for example, let's say you can use Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI gives you free daily credits every day that you can use. And I'm going to be using ChatGPT because ChatGPT can also generate these images. So let's take our first image and generate. Let's take our first prompts and generate the image. These are prompts for watermelon. I'm just going to copy them, come here. More, you see images, type of images. I already tried generating stuff. Type on image, copy and paste the prompt. You copy and paste the prompt and you click enter. So ChatGPT is going to generate the image. Let's just wait for our image to be generated. Okay, now our image has been generated. This is the image. You just have to download it to your PC or your phone. You click on download and it's going to be saved in your phone. Let's do another one. Let's say, for example, we can do the one of Apple. You can do like 2 or 3. Let me do another one so you guys get to see. For example, let me say, let's do the one for an apple. One orange. Okay. Let's do the one for an orange. So you're just going to wait for a few minutes for it to generate the image. What you can do is just generate your images at once, as I'm doing. If you have like 10 different prompts to generate, you just like copy and paste, and generate all of your 10 images and save them on your phone or your computer. So when you want to do the animations, you already have all your images generated. You don't want to do one, then you do the animations and come back to image generation. So what you need to do, generate all your images in one settings. Then when you're done with your images, then you go to your animations. Okay, our orange has been generated. So we just need to download it. Okay. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to do just 2 of these. So now that we have our images, what you want to do is go to a free AI generation tool, which, for example, I usually use Leonardo AI because they don't give credits every day. You have free credit, 150 free credits every day. So you can use it, but this is what I did. I generated a pineapple and I animated it using my Leonardo AI. Then my credits for today has elapsed. I had 150 credits and I've used 90 something of it, so I can't generate anymore. But if you can sign up to Leonardo AI every day, they will give you 150 credits. In a week, you can get more than 1,000 credits that you can use to generate all these videos. Or you can use another tool called Google Flow. Google Flow also gives you credits every day. You can use Google Flow. It gives you credits every day to generate different images. Or you can use one AI. For example, okay, let's say you want to use one AI to 122 to generate your animation. So what you're going to do is come and generate. Then here you see image, you see avatar, you see video. Click on video. Then reference, you choose upload from device. Upload from device. We're gonna choose our orange. Okay, this is your orange. Now you're going to copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT on orange, the one ChatGPT gave you for the animations. So if you go under orange, okay, slow motion macro animation of a chef knife slicing through a juicy orange. So you just want to copy and paste this on copy, and you're just going to come on here and paste what ChatGPT gave you, and make sure to check on your dimension. This is for long form. So since we're doing short form, we're going to take 9 by 16 and 5 seconds. 9 by 16, 5 seconds, and that's it. You click on generate. You click on generate and wait for your video to generate. One is kind of slow. It takes time to like generate the video, but it's free. It gives you free credits every day. So I'm just going to like skip to when the video has been generated, and we'll come back to it. Then I'll come back to it and show you guys. Okay, now our video has been generated. When you play it, you can see the movement, the sound and everything. So you can just do this for the other fruits. And what you want to do is just download the image to your computer. After downloading, okay, it's downloaded. After downloading the image, you want to do is upload it to your YouTube or your TikTok channel. It took few minutes for this video to be generated. So I said you can use free tools, like you can even use Meta AI. Meta AI is completely free. For example, let's say, let me try to use Meta AI is completely free. You can use Meta AI or Google Flow. Most times I use Google Flow, but my subscription for today has expired. This is one of the videos I did on Google Flow. Let me show you guys. I did watermelon video. Let me show you guys what I did. You can see this is one of the videos. So I'm going to leave the link for Google Flow in the description, or you see it on the screen. You can see what I did with Google Flow. You just have to copy your prompt and put it. Google Flow, this is the website, labs.google.com. And you can just type Google Flow on Chrome and it will take you to this site, and you sign up with your Gmail, and every day you get to make 2 videos. They give you free credits to make 2 videos every day. So you can use that free credits to make 2 videos every day. In a week, that's 14 videos for your channel. So that's how you're going to be creating these SMR videos and uploading them on YouTube in order for you to make money. You saw the videos I showed you. If you want it to be glass, these ones they're very realistic. The ones I showed you were very artificial. I prefer realistic videos because people will not believe this is AI. I'm going to play this again. Somebody will look at this video and not believe that it is AI. Genuinely speaking, nobody will believe. Most people won't believe this is AI because it's very realistic. It's not so unrealistic. So you see, this is real watermelon. So this is what you're going to be doing. So now that we are done with the stage of you creating these videos, what you want to do is create your YouTube. If you already have a YouTube channel, you can start posting, but you don't want to be generating one video and you start posting. I'll advise you to generate. For example, if you have, you can sign up to Google Flow, you can sign up to Leonardo AI, you can sign up to 3 different AI video generation tool, and they'll give you free credits. For example, Google Flow will give you 2 videos every day. Leonardo AI can give you 1 video every day, and probably maybe one can give you 2 videos every day. That's like 4 or 5 videos in a day. You can use all these AI generation to generate these videos, copy and paste your prompts from and ChatGPT, generate the videos, put them on your PC first. When you've gotten for like 15 to 20 videos, that's when you start scheduling them on your YouTube channel, because you don't want to post one video and you start having difficulties creating the next video. So you want to create in bulk and schedule them so that you have ample time to do them again. So now that you're done, you can like edit them on CapCut and add a little bit of music, or you can just take them like that, upload them on YouTube. When you're uploading shots on YouTube, there's a part where they can give you an option to add music on your YouTube. For example, let me show you guys. I can show you guys, but that will be on another video. So I don't want to lengthen this video. If you want me to show you how to create your YouTube channel, how to upload your shorts, then let me know in the comments. I'm going to do another video concerning that. But what I'm going to say is make sure you're consistent. Schedule your video. As I said, produce in bulk. When you produce in bulk, you can start posting 2 or 1 video every day. You want to make sure you don't miss for the next 30 days. You make sure you post videos every day. You don't want to post today, then tomorrow you don't post, then the other day. So you want to be consistent. You want to produce in bulk, then schedule them on your YouTube studio for the next 15 to 30 days, and you get to see how your channel growth will be like. And I promise you, these videos are getting millions of views. Even when you go on TikTok, you see these videos, they have millions of views. You can be surprised at how much people are making. Somebody that has 20, you saw that video of 48 million views. That person is making not less than, even though it's YouTube shorts, is making not less than $5,000 from that particular short. So it's not less than, because YouTube short does not really pay you too much. The RPM is kind of low as compared to longer videos. But if you have higher volume, higher views, you get to make money. In summary, what I will be saying is create your YouTube channel. Make sure you create your YouTube channel, do your description, put your tags. Your YouTube channel should be along the name of SMRU something something, so that it will target the right audience. SMRU something something. Create your videos, schedule them either one every day or 2 every day. Batch them, schedule them on YouTube. When you get to 1,000 subscribers, you apply for your YouTube partner program and you start making money for yourself. These videos can easily give you 1 million plus views. And from those 1 million plus views, that's how you gain subscribers. All the tools I showed you are free. You don't need to pay for anything in order to generate these videos. You don't need to subscribe to anything or pay for any premium tool. All these things I showed you are free. I use free tools. Everything is free. So follow these blueprints, start creating videos for yourself. You can do more research, check on YouTube to see different SMR videos, check the one that you know you can easily create for yourself and start doing them and start making money. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you. If you want to learn how to create a YouTube channel, how to do your profile picture, your description, everything about creating a YouTube channel, let me know in the comments and I'll do another video on that. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. So guys, that's it for this video. Do what to like, do what to comment, do what to subscribe. Thank you all so much and see you all in the next video. Ciao, ciao.